Hey friends, if you wish to turn off or disable Bluetooth in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. To enable or disable Bluetooth, first of all, you have the option in the system tray itself. Okay, simply click on this and Bluetooth is gone. Click on this. If it's in blue, Bluetooth is activated. So this works as a switch. But if you really want to access the switch through settings, then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side, and here's the switch. Turn it off to turn off Bluetooth, turn it on to enable Bluetooth. And whenever you do this, you can also check the devices that are connected here, and you can add more devices to Bluetooth through this option. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.